The workpiece on the screen is what we refer to as an everyday workpiece. It represents the kind of work performed in the majority of machine shops around the world every day. For workpieces like this, where design work is not involved, CNC programming with KipwareM Conversational CAM is the smarter choice. With no CAD, no drawing, and even no G-code experience required, KipwareM gets you to G-code faster and easier than any CAD/CAM system, and gets more people involved in the everyday G-code creation, making for a more efficient shop with faster turnaround and increased output. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create G-code for that workpiece using our KipwareM Conversational CAM for milling. The general design concept of KipwareM is to use the conversational menus or the sketchpad to create cycles for each operation to machine the workpiece complete. Each time a cycle is created, it is placed in the tree. Once all cycles are created, we can use the main program feature to have KipwareM link them all together with tool calls and offset calls to create one complete program we can send to the machine. So let's dive in. We'll start by giving the program a name. The first cycle we can create is for the first operation, to face the top of the part. So we'll select the square, rectangular facing menu and complete the fill in the blank form. Pressing Create Program causes KipwareM to create the G-code, and it places that cycle into the tree. Cycles can be brought back any time into the conversational screen, and any changes can be made directly in that form. So users never even have to see the G-code if it's not desired. Or they can open up the G-code and review it, and make any G-code changes directly in that editor. This is also a great way to learn G-code. Describe the operation in the fill in the blank form, and then see the G-code that gets created. We can now continue using the conversational menus to create cycles for the other operations required to machine our workpiece. Next, we'll rough and finish the pocket on the left side. Rather than create a whole new cycle for the right pocket, we'll copy the left side pocket, open it back up in the conversational menu, and simply change the pocket center locations. Next, we'll spot drill the holes using a grid pattern menu. Again, rather than creating a whole new cycle, I can copy the spot drill cycle, open it up in the conversational menu, and make it into a drilling cycle to drill the holes through. With all our cycles created, we can use the main program feature to outline a machining process, select tools, and link created cycles to those tools. Operation number 1 will be using tool number 1, and we will link the facing operation to this tool. Operation number 2 will use tool number 2, and we'll link 2 cycles to tool number 2. Pocket the left side and pocket the right side. Operation number 3 will spot the holes. And operation number 4 will drill the holes. With our machining process laid out and tools selected and linked to cycles, pressing Create G-code will cause KipwareM to create one big program with all tool changes and offset calls, and all G-code for all cycles to send to the machine for machining. This video clearly illustrates the need for Kipware and faster, easier G-code creation when design work is not involved. If your team is struggling, tired of overly complex, expensive CAD/CAM, and you're ready to grow your shop by getting new clients through faster turnaround and increased shop output, it's time to explore the real world. CNC programming CAM from Kipware at www.kipware.com.